Good morning. We had a day yesterday. It was a great day for college football, NBA, World Series. It was a great day, and we're going to do a little recap for you today. So, this was the free play that we gave out yesterday. Joey Aguilar and Cooper Bartik. They both cashed very easily, turning 5 into 850 there. I also gave out more free plays over on the Winible on the free plan. That's why you guys want to be on there. I did give one out yesterday. It was Jaylen Brown and I believe it was LaMelo Ball. Jaylen Brown, Celtics got blown out by Houston. They pulled him early, or they pulled him like mid third quarter. So just a bad beat there. We missed on that one, but overall VIP had a great day, and we cashed out there. So today is November 2nd, and we got some NFL, NBA going on today. And we take a look at the schedule. We got Chicago at Cincinnati, Minnesota at Detroit. It's a good interconference one there, interdivision there. Carolina at Green Bay, Los Angeles at Tennessee, Atlanta at New England, San Francisco at New York, Indianapolis at Pittsburgh, Denver at Houston, Jacksonville at Las Vegas, New Orleans at Los Angeles, Kansas City at Buffalo. That should be a good game. And Seattle at Washington. So we got a lot of games on today, and let's go over to what we are playing for today. If you guys are new to Chalkboard, they're going to give you $20 of free money, no deposit necessary. Same as Sleeper, they're going to give you $20, no deposit necessary, and a Victor Wembanyama free square. Just use the code 907fantasy. Over on Betr, they're going to give you a free $10 plus up to a $200 bonus on your first deposit, and a Jaden Daniels free pick there. Just use the code 907fantasy. And then Dabble is going to give you a free 25 as well there. So just use the code 907fantasy. All those links are down in the description below. And while you're down there, go ahead and like the video, subscribe to the channel. That really does help me out, and I would really appreciate it if you could do that for me. But let's go over here. So we cashed out yesterday again. We're still running the same promo, it's 50% off of VIP Gold Level or VIP Full Week Pass with the code NBA. So get that locked in. Use the code NBA over there. If you guys want, get on the free plan. That's completely free to do. That's over here on the Winible. It's winnable.com/907fantasy sports here. So make sure to go over there and get locked in there. That's also down in the description below if you need the link there. But like I said, this was the free play from yesterday. We cashed that one. And then we also cashed a bunch of money line picks that I sent out on VIP. We had the Buckeyes, Indiana, Pittsburgh, Ole Miss, Georgia, Michigan, Texas Tech. So some nice wins there for us. A lot of these, like the Michigan, Ohio, Indiana, those were just easy wins. But then we had a few others that were some actual little bit of a sweat. The Georgia game was a little bit of a sweat there. So it was a great day overall. And then we had some of these plays as well. We had Cooper Flag, Peyton Pritchard. We also had a Cooper Flag, Peyton Pritchard. This one was assists. This one was points. We cashed both those 5 and 850. We had this Kevin Durant, Zach LaVine one, 5 and 850. And then this was the free play I gave out yesterday. We also had this one over on Underdog. Nice 2.3x there. Should have put a lot more on it, but it was a great win there for us. So let's go over to what we're playing today for the free pick. I got one in the NFL, one in the NBA for you. So stick around for both of those, and let's get locked in. So NFL, we're going over on Betr. If you guys are new to Betr, get over there and use the code 907fantasy. They're going to give you this Jaden Daniels free square, free $10 plus up to a $200 bonus. Then we're taking Jackson Smith and Jigba. He's discounted from 90.5 down to 80.5 receiving yards. And then we're going Bijan Robinson. He had a bad game last game, but he's looking for a bounce back spot here against New England. We're taking him over 69 rushing plus receiving yards. If we come over here and we take a look at what they've been doing, taking a look at Bijan. Where is he at? Bijan Robinson, right here. So he's averaging 134 over the last 5. And he's gone for 111, 181, 238, 92, and then last game he went for 48. 48, that had to have been just a fluke. Look for that bounce back spot this week. He's going to be looking to come out hot there. Then we take a look at Jackson Smith and Jigba. Coming down here, he's in the late game today, right here. He's averaging 118. He went for 96, 79, 132, 162, 123. So all we need from him is 81 yards, and we cashed that. So that is the official free pick for the channel here today in the NFL. And then over in the NBA, we got another one for you. We got Devin Booker. He's been discounted from 29.5 down to 25.5. Then we got LaMelo Ball over 5.5 assists. So taking a look at both of what they've been doing. Let's go over here, and we'll come back up here to NBA. And we'll go to points, and we're going to come down here to Phoenix. Where is Phoenix at? Right here, Devin Booker. So he's averaging 29.8. He went for 36, 32, 32, 31, 18. So he's basically putting up 30 points a game this year. So give me 26 from Devin Booker. That will be a nice, easy win for us. They're also playing in San Antonio, so that should be a good competitive game. Hopefully Devin Booker can keep it close for us there. And then LaMelo Ball, he's been crushing this assist line. This is an absolute cheat code. Put this in all of your parlays. This will cash for sure. So taking a look at LaMelo here. He's averaging 10.2. He went for 8, 13, 9, 13, and 8. So all we need from him is 6. Give me that for a nice, easy win over on Betr. Like I said, if you guys are new, use the code 907Fantasy over there. Get signed up. If you guys want to get on the free plan, that's 907 Fantasy Sports. Get on the free plan there. You'll get all access to the free picks. VIP Gold level, fully pass are 50% off. You can always subscribe to the $5 Friday, and then the full season pass as well. So good luck with all your plays today. Let's go have a great day. I'm going to be sending out VIP plays here in just a minute, so make sure to get over there and get on VIP to take advantage of all those, because we had an absolute killer last few days. So good luck, and we'll catch you guys tomorrow for some Monday Night Football and some NBA. Peace out.